Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the press-ons I got because Kiss was having a sale and I always want to have nails on, but I can't with the job that I have. So I always have like little stubby little nails, or like when my nails grow out they look a little better, but I always want to have like long acrylics. So this is like the next best thing for me. So I'm going to show you guys the press-ons I got. So I don't know why that took me so long to say. So I'm going to flip the camera. So this is my package. I'm gonna show you guys this one first. This is obviously, I guess it was like Halloween edition or limited edition, but they're like a gray matte nail. I think these are gonna be super cute on. And then I got these. I think I'm gonna put these on today. It's just like a natural French tip nail. I think it's gonna be so pretty, and it's medium length, so it's not gonna be like hard to like move around with or whatever, because I'm not used to nails at all. The next thing I got is this one. I've been eyeing these nails for the longest time. Excuse my thumb. I know a lot of people are like, your thumb's so small, but it is what it is. But this one is the long length. I don't know why it's not focusing. I think it's focusing now. But this one is so pretty. This color is gorgeous. I really like the matte nails, so I got another one too. This is a nude color, which is really, really gorgeous. And I was thinking about wearing these as well, but I'm not gonna do them today. And then they gave me like samples. These are like a little primer, and then this little mascara, and then this lip gloss, but it's like a matte lipstick. So that is what I got in my package. So we're going to try to put these on. So hopefully it goes well. I got the alcohol swabs and a little buffer so that it will last a long time. Hopefully. This is what my nails look like now. A little crusty, a little dusty. They're looking rough because I did get gel nails, so I'm trying to get it back to healthy. And also with all this hand sanitizer, my hands stay dry. So let me set up the camera real quick so you guys can see me put these nails on. First things first is I'm going to pick out my size, so I have to figure out which acrylic fits my nail. I have to remember to stay in frame. Okay, so these are all the nails. I don't know why I took all of them out. Crazy. But it comes with a little stick and a little buffer thing, and then a little nail glue. So I'm going to pick my nails out. I kind of like them to be smaller than my nails because I feel like it fits better. So this one fits good. So I always look at the back part. If you guys can see, you probably can't see that, but there's usually a number right here. So then I'll just grab another number 10 for my ring finger. Okay, so this is another number 10. So I'm gonna put this here because most likely it would fit this finger. You can see that I had a hangnail and I peeled it out. Oh my gosh. So that's gonna go here. I'm just gonna figure out my nails and then I'll be back because I feel like this is super repetitive. So just know that the numbers match, so just pick the same for each hand. All right, so I picked out my nails. They're all right here. My thumb never fits my finger, like the thumbnail, because my thumb is so small, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna leave it like that just so that, because sometimes I like cut it, but then it kind of makes my thumb look, no it doesn't. I was like, it kind of makes my thumb look like a normal thumb, but it doesn't really. I don't know if that looks hectic. I feel like I should cut it down some. I may file the end some just so that it'll fit my nail, because this looks a little hectic. I feel like it would look better like smaller. I always have to adjust the thumb because my thumb is so small. But now I'm going to just buff out my nails. So I just like to use a little buffer because I'm trying to get the health back of my nails. So I don't want to use like a nail file and do too harsh. So I'm just going to buff each nail. And then I'll just wipe it down with alcohol. I think I should have done that first, but that's okay. And then we're going to start gluing them on. I'm so excited to have some nails. I have them on pop off, but since I have so many, I won't have, like, I can bring the glue with me. So I always like to do my thumb last because I need my thumb to work. So here are my nails. I always get so nervous. So I feel like I should back you up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to glue my pinky on. And I always like to, let me see if I can show you. I always like to push the nails under my cuticle just so that, you know, it sits like, oh, it's her real nail. Not her real nail, at least like I got my nails done. So I'm going to push it underneath like so, and then I'm gonna grab some glue. So I like to add not too much, just a little drippy. Oh, that's a lot, but a little drop. I don't know, I feel like I squeezed a lot out, as you guys can see. And then we're going to press and hold. Since I added a lot, I'm gonna hold it for a while because it's probably gonna take a long time to dry. But I know all of you guys know how to put a press-on on. I feel like everybody knows how to at this point. Yeah. But that's what it looks like. Ooh, super cute. I remember the first time I got acrylics, I got French tip, so this is kind of giving me that vibe, but it is really, really pretty. So I'm just going to press them all on because we don't want to be super repetitive like I said before, but it is gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, I want to show you guys the thumb because I always have to, hopefully it focused. So, well, first of all, I got my nails on. Ooh, so cute. What salon you go to? Oh, this is press-ons or whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the original thumb, and I filed it down to fit my little thumb. So I filed it down to here. I only filed the bottom part because I still want to have the little French tip. So I may file down the top part too, just so it can be even, but I made it super little. So if you have little thumbs, just file it down just so it can fit your thumbnail. That's what I tend to do when I use press-ons because they just don't fit. But I remember growing up, I used to use the toenail thumbnails, which is so weird, but they do fit your thumb. But see, now I have like all this dust on me, so now it like fits better and it looks more like my thumb. So I'm gonna do that to the other side. I just wanted to show you guys that. I just used the little file that it comes with, and I just file and file and file and file. But make sure you're like rounding it out on the sides and just keep filing it down till it gets shorter and shorter. All right, so now my nails are finished. Super cute. I'm so excited. I may get medium length all the time because these feel comfortable to me. They feel secure. Some of them have bubbles, which suck. Like this thumb, I kind of messed up. You guys can see it right here. Ugh, I want to redo it, but it won't come off. But I mean, that's a good thing it won't come off. But I feel like this is going to start lifting since there is a bubble. And I'm like, that is not cute. This thumb kind of, I don't know. My thumbs are just like, eh. But my fingers, ooh, so freaking cute. But I hope you guys enjoy this little video. By the way, the style of this one is Salon Acrylic French Nude in the medium length. So if you are interested in these, that is the name. So I'm definitely going to try to rewear these as many times as I can because they are gorgeous. I'm like obsessed. Like French tip may be my thing. It makes my hand look so much, I don't know, it makes it look more girly because before it was very like I work all day every day. Now it looks like, you know, can you grab this? Can you open this for me? Because I can't because I got nails. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm talking too much. I'm like so excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I know I'm not focused, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.